Quad bikes are a leading cause of death on Australian farms. Routine maintenance and pre-start inspection play a critical role in the safe use of a quad bike. Poorly maintained quad bikes can contribute to serious injury or death. Many farms don't have systems of work in place to do pre-start checks or undertake regular maintenance of quad bikes. A system doesn't need to be complex or onerous, it just needs to help keep operators safe. A system should include a schedule of regular quad bike servicing in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations. It may be as simple as the maintenance record book being completed by the mechanic each and every time they work on a quad bike, or as sophisticated as notes in diaries to specify the scheduled timing and/or electronic reminders. Engaging or employing qualified mechanics to perform servicing and repair work is crucial to ensure that a quad bike is maintained and safe. Ensure operators undertake pre-operation checks. This could be on paper or an electronic checklist on a smartphone. All employees should understand how to and be able to report mechanical defects. Ensure any quad bike is repaired when a mechanical failure is reported and that it is not used until it has been fixed. Ensure quad bike maintenance is carried out in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations. Remember that you are the key to safety on your farm. Developing an inspection system is an important part of taking steps towards safety. WorkSafe has some helpful resources for you to implement systems associated with quad bike use.